Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this watch. First we need to open the settings. To do this, press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu, and finally scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. And after you find it, tap on it to open the settings. In settings, we need to find the option called sounds and vibration. And once you find it, you need to tap on it, of course. And here scroll down and look for the option called ringtone. And once you find it, tap on it. Right here you have the list of ringtones. There's quite a few of them. You can listen to them by tapping on one. So look for the one you like, and once you find the ringtone you enjoy, simply select it, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the ringtone on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.